One day I opened my dishwasher door and it just fell open. In this video, I show you how to fix your door so it doesn't slam open. I have a link in the description below. Hi, I'm AJ and you're watching Woodified. I make DIY and woodworking videos. Your first step is to open the dishwasher door. Be careful you don't drop it and bang it all the way down to the bottom. But you should looking for some screws. Should be 2 screws at the top. Undo them. With the screws undone, I can slightly pull out the dishwasher. I don't want to pull it out too far because you can remember it's connected to your drain and to a power supply. You pull it out just enough so you can see the springs and the hinges. There's a cable hinge on one side snapped. You can see it here. It broke off. My dishwasher is an LG and it needs 2 springs, 2 rope hinges, one on either side in order to hold the weight of the door. Here's just a close-up of where it snapped in the middle. I did rub my finger around the pulley and didn't feel anything where it should wear out. I have a link of the part in the description below. It is an affiliate link. If you buy this part or anything else off Amazon after clicking my link, you will be supporting my channel and it doesn't cost you any extra money. So here's the part. It's a cable, piece of rope, 2 plastic connectors on either end. One goes on the little black hoop there, and the other goes onto the spring, but you got to get it around the pulley. And it helps if you close the door so you can get access to it. So the clip just fits in the little slot there, and it's thin enough that it doesn't rub on the side of the door or the cabinet. With the one side clipped on to the door, you just want to start it around the little pulley, and it helps if you lift the door up. You have more room. I found it easier to take the spring off the top part of the door, hook it to the cable hinge, and then pull the spring up and hook it in. And I have 2 slots on mine. And for the right tension, mine goes in the lower slot. If you take it out and you forgot which hole it goes into, go walk around to the other side of your dishwasher and see where the other side goes in. Here you can see the cable hinge back in place, and I just open and close the dishwasher door a couple times, make sure everything's running nice and smooth and that everything's hooked in place. Once everything's hooked in place, gently push the dishwasher back into place. Careful not to scratch your floors. If you took the brackets off when you pulled the dishwasher out, you need to put those back in place before you push your dishwasher back under the cabinet. I forgot to do that. I had to pull them back out. But you need these brackets. You need to be able to fasten your dishwasher to the underside of your countertop. If not, when you pull out the trays, the weight of the dishes in the dishwasher will tilt your dishwasher forward, and when you push them back, it will tilt back. You don't want it moving around. I make DIY and woodworking videos to save you time and money. If this video helped you fix your dishwasher, please leave me a comment down below. Let me know how you made out.